Hey y'all, we're at Target today and I'm checking out the clearance items, and I wanted to share with you in the kitchen section what they have on clearance here at Target today. In my area, they have a Braun Pure Flavor, looks like a coffee maker, regularly $79.99, now $55.99. They have this Tabitha Brown indoor grill. It was $40, it's now $20, so that's 50% off. They have an ice cream maker by Tabitha Brown, was $50, now $25. So it looks like they have these Tabitha Brown small kitchen appliances for half off right now in the clearance aisle. They have some, let's see, what are these, like a jumbo reduce 40 hours cold tumbler. This was $24.99, now $12.49. They have a bunch of really cute like ceramic mugs. It looks like these are leftovers from Mother's Day. I thought this one was pretty. Love you, Mom. $5, now $3.50. They have some nice linens. These are like pretty thick quality. I like these colors. I'm not crazy about the pattern, but these are pretty cool, like really thick quality napkins. I always like good quality napkins. Let's see. Oh, there's another Tabitha Brown ice cream maker. Oh, here's more of these napkins too. It's like a black and white. That's cool. Speckly. Here's like a stripey. These are thick. How much are these? I haven't seen the price yet on any of them. This is a Copper Cow coffee variety single serve pour over Vietnamese coffee. Interesting. Was $5, now $3.50. They have a few of those. Here's a lavender. If you've tried those, let me know. Oh, and this is what I wanted to show you. It's Pillowfort Learn to Cook pasta set. Was $20, now $10. How cute is this? It's like measuring spoons, more measuring spoons, a little pasta scooper, a little pasta scoop thing, a bowl, and some serving bowls. That's cute. I bet my kids would like this. We love pasta. Oh, it's got like recipes. It's got a strainer. That's cool. Over a bowl, a serving bowl, some little bowls like that, measuring cups, and a bag. That's cute for $10. That's a great deal. Okay, let's go see what other clearance items they have here in the kitchen aisle. What's this? Oh, a little platter. That's cute. This is what I had my eye on. I like this little utensil server. $15, now $7.50. This is great for like 4th of July. It's pretty sturdy too. Okay, let's go to another area and see what they have in the clearance section. Oh, what are these? Dessert spoons, Tabitha Brown. That's cute. Nice. Okay, here's another clearance end cap here at Target. They have Ello Burr, it's cold. This is a cool color, this purple. It was $20.99, now it's $14.69. They have some little bottle things. What are these? Napkin holders? That's cute. Here's some mugs, more Mother's Day mugs. Oh, a bento box. This is what I came for. It was $5, now $3.50. I like these little bento boxes. Look how they're divided like this. I think I'm gonna get this one actually. My friend had something like, oh, here's another one. This is cool. This is what I came for. Great. Figmint snack bento. 8 divided compartments keep food separated for easy snacking. BPA free, microwave safe, and dishwasher safe, and freezer safe. That's cool. Look at these fun little compartments. It just makes me want to like fill this with delicious little treats. This is perfect for the beach. It's got this silicone type of lid on it. Look at that. And then here's like a different one that's blue. Okay, I'm gonna get those two today. What else do they have? Let's see. Okay, they have, oh, look at this giant water bottle with this like silicone straw. That's pretty cool. How much is that? Was $19.99, now $9.99, so that's about half off. Oh, here's a Tabitha Brown popcorn maker. Was $30, now $15. And then they have some fun plates. These were $5, now they're $2.50. Threshold brand. That's the Target brand, I believe. Oh, look at these. These are fun. Little cups. What are these? Wine glasses. That's cool. All right, let's go find more clearance. All right, I'm not searching for toys today, but look at so much clearance toys here at Target. This end cap, and then let's see, over here, there's more toys. Fisher Price, and then there's some household items. Bud vases, look at these, this is cool. Was $10, now $5. Those are pretty colors. I like that. Room Essentials brand, that's that Target brand. Some super cute vases. What do they have here? Little makeup storage, taper candle holders. Fun. I love the clearance section. Okay, not on clearance, but I love this section. It's the Pyrex section. I just love all the colors of the Pyrex containers, all the different styles. I have a lot of these and I use them every day for food storage. And I really like the colors here. These, what are these, like pastel type of colors? Oh, I've never seen this bowl. That's cool. I have something like this, but in pink. Oh, I have these ones right here. I use those all the time. I have these types, I have this size. These go great in the oven. You can actually cook with them and then put the lid right on and put it right in your fridge. Okay, this isn't clearance either, but it is on sale, these Ello food storage containers. I'm looking for something to store baby food in, and this is actually pretty cool. I'm gonna think about this. This is $12.99, regularly $15.99. These are leak-proof, BPA-free 6-pack, and they're plastic, they're not glass. I did want glass, but sometimes plastic's a little easier to transport. And then look how cute this is. Can I put that on there? Look how, I love this cherry print. This is a reusable lunch tote. It fits most food storage, secure snap closure, multiple pockets, machine washable. That's cool. You could just put it in the washing machine for when stuff spills in there. Foldable, easy storage, and perfect for on the go. So that's a cool idea for a lunch tote. I like that it's machine washable. This brand actually has a lot of cool food storage containers. Ooh, look at the lemon one. That's cool. I like lemon. And this is fun, this mustard and pink color. And then these are fun too. I have something like this from Trader Joe's. These displaced disposable baggies. These are reusable baggies. They're sealable and they stand up like that. So that's always good because when you're filling them, you want them to stand up. Those are $12.99 right now, regularly $15.99. All right, here's another clearance end cap. And I'm seeing more of these Pillowfort Learn to Cook sets. Here's another one. This is fun. It's got like a little rolling pin. It's got some mixing bowls. This must be, this is an essentials kit. It's got spatula. Oh, this is great. I love that it's like a kit for kids learning. It looks like there's even 8 measuring spoons, 4 measuring cups, 2 mixing bowls, 2 recipes, cutting board, spatula, turner, spoon, rolling pin, and bag. Awesome. I have a little drawer dedicated in my kitchen for kids cooking items. So that would fit perfectly. That one is $20, regularly $20, now $10. This one is $20, now $14. This is a Learn to Bake mini cupcake set. How cute is that? I like that it's pink. I like pink stuff. All right. 6 silicone baking cups, measuring cups, recipes, mixing bowl, bag, 6 cups silicone muffin pan. Oh, right there. Stainless steel whisk. This is a great gift for a kid to learn how to cook, and they're on clearance here right now. So they had the pasta kit, the Learn to Bake cupcakes, essentials, and look at this. Lemonade. Learn to make lemonade. How cute are these lemonade cups? Was $20, now $10. Look, you can juice lemons right there. It's got a little pitcher. Oh my gosh, these are a great find. 4 measuring cups, 2 cups, 2 recipes, cutting board, pitcher, juicer, bag. Wow. Okay, that's fun. And here's, oh my gosh, here's more. Learn to make breakfast in bed. Was $20, now $14. Look, it's got little cups, bowls. Oh my gosh, a little napkin. That's cute. That's a great price. Even a little tray that holds the cup. Wow, I'm tempted to buy all of these. Okay, and then here's even more. Look at Learn to cook kitchen essentials apron and hat set, ages 6 and up. Was $20, now $10. So it's like a little apron and a hat. And some, what is that? Towels. Aww, that's great. That's a great gift for kids. Learning to cook. So important. Okay, now I'm also seeing there's another end cap over here of clearance in the kitchen area. Look at all these wine glasses, and look, more of these Figmint bento boxes. This is exactly what I came for. I like this one because you can put sauces in there and 4 little things here. And oh, here's another one of those that is purple, and then there's more of those square ones. So I'm definitely gonna get 2 of these. These are perfect for taking for picnics. I love picnicking. All right, thanks for shopping the clearance section with me here at Target today in the kitchen area. I hope this inspired you to stock up.